Welcome to the top best. The best Ivisii Ring Light is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to elevate their content creation game. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber, a budding streamer, a makeup artist perfecting your craft, or simply someone who wants to look their best on video calls, this lighting solution promises to transform your visual presence with its customizable brightness and color temperature, ensuring you always have the perfect lighting for any situation, making every shot look professional and polished. Number 5. NEEWER RL 18-18-inch LED Ring Light Kit. Discover the NEEWER RL 18, an 18-inch professional LED ring light kit designed for creators. This versatile lighting solution is perfect for a wide range of applications, from studio photography to video content creation. With 55 W of power and a 5600 K color temperature, it delivers bright, consistent illumination. The dimmable feature allows you to adjust brightness from 1% to 100%, ensuring the perfect lighting for any scenario. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the LED ring light, a sturdy 61-inch light stand, a soft tube for flexible positioning, color filters, a hot shoe adapter, a smartphone holder, and a convenient carrying bag. It's ideal for makeup artists, tattoo artists, barbers, YouTubers, and anyone looking to enhance their visual content. Achieve studio-quality lighting for videos, live streams, and selfies with ease. Setting up is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The lightweight and portable design makes it easy to transport and use in various locations. Enjoy professional lighting without the hassle. Constructed with high-quality aluminum alloy, the light stand offers exceptional stability. The LED bulbs are designed for safety, emitting low heat and protecting your eyes from harmful radiation. What we like? This large ring light offers a wide, soft illumination perfect for professional settings. The included soft tube allows for flexible positioning, and the carrying bag makes it easy to transport. If you're a makeup artist, barber, or tattoo artist needing consistent, high-quality lighting for detailed work, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The lighting is super bright and even, which makes a big difference for videos, pictures, and even video calls. Adjustable brightness makes it easy to customize. The dimmer is in a very convenient location, not in the back like some that I have seen, but under the ring, so it's easy to adjust while filming, if need be. Number 4. JIANJIN 18 Dimmable LED Ring Light Kit. Discover the ultimate lighting solution with the JIANJIN 18-inch Ring Light Kit. This versatile kit is designed to elevate your photography and videography. Experience exceptional lighting with 416 high-performance LEDs, offering a wide dimming range from 1% to 100%. Achieve perfect color accuracy with a CRI of over 90. This all-in-one kit includes a 63-inch tripod, phone clip, and a 2.4G remote controller for effortless adjustments. Everything fits neatly into a durable, multifunctional suitcase. Control brightness and color temperature remotely from up to 10 meters away. Plus, a built-in USB charging port keeps your devices powered up during long shoots. The adjustable lamp board rotates 360 degrees for optimal positioning. For added stability, simply hang the suitcase on the tripod to lower the center of gravity. Whether for YouTube, TikTok, or self-portraits, this ring light ensures uniform light distribution for professional-looking results. Available in black and pink to suit your style. We are confident in our product, offering an 18-month warranty for peace of mind. Trust JIANJIN for your creative lighting needs. What we like? This kit features a wide color temperature range and comes with a convenient remote control for easy adjustments. The unique multifunctional suitcase holds all accessories, including the stand, for ultimate portability. If you need versatile lighting for various shooting conditions and appreciate organized, easy transport, this is the one for you. What people say? The light ring has been very practical for me to create good lighting in videos, photos, and video calls. It provides uniform light that helps improve image quality without generating strong shadows. I like that it has different levels of intensity, which allows you to adjust the lighting according to the need. The 18-inch dimmable LED ring light kit is a game changer for me as I am a content creator. It delivers powerful, adjustable 55W lighting with a 6700 K color temperature, perfect for flattering, natural-looking shots. The high CRI of 90 ensures true color accuracy, while the remote control and sturdy tripod make adjustments easy without disrupting your setup. The controls on the back are easy to use, the ring is huge, it's super bright, you can gradually adjust between blue to yellow light. It can hold a DSLR camera or phone. The stand is really tall and much sturdier than the cheap ring light I had before. Number 3. 18-inch bicolor ring light with stand. Introducing our 18-inch professional ring light, designed to elevate your content creation. Its large size and adjustable brightness ensure perfect lighting for any project. With a brightness range from 0% to 100%, you have complete control to capture every detail. This light empowers your limitless creative potential. This LED ring light is surprisingly lightweight and compact, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting. It can also serve as a professional barber light in your salon or studio. The sturdy aluminum alloy stand provides exceptional stability, ensuring your light stays put at any angle. It offers dual charging options for ultimate convenience. Achieve the perfect look with its built-in bicolor feature, ranging from warm orange to cool daylight. Mimic natural light or create glamorous effects to suit any shooting scenario. This ring light comes with 3 versatile holders, accommodating tablets, phones, and cameras. Easily position your devices for the perfect shot every time. What we like. With its built-in bicolor temperature, you can easily switch between warm and cool light to perfectly match your skin tones or mimic natural light. It also offers dual charging options, running on batteries or AC power, making it ideal for on-location shoots. If you need flexible lighting for diverse shooting scenarios and value the ability to power it up anywhere, this is a great option. What people say. I love how you can adjust the warmth and cooler tone right from the light without having to swap or move anything around. The brightness control is also really easy to use. The LED display is really bright and you can clearly understand everything it is displaying. The phone and camera adapter comes in really handy. It's just easy setup all in one. Number 2. 18-inch bicolor ring light with stand. Introducing our 18-inch ring light, designed to bring professional lighting to your creative projects. Its large size and adjustable brightness ensure you capture every detail perfectly. With 60 W of power and a brightness range from 0% to 100%, this light offers limitless creative control. It's perfect for makeup, selfies, vlogging, and more, helping you achieve stunning results. Weighing only about 5.5 pounds and capable of running on batteries, it's ideal for on-location shoots. Its compact design also makes it a great addition to any salon or studio. The sturdy aluminum alloy stand ensures stability at any angle, so you can focus on your work without worry. It offers dual charging options for ultimate convenience. Easily switch between warm orange tones, 3000K, and cool daylight, 5800K, to perfectly match your needs. This feature helps even out skin tones and mimic natural light in any condition. This kit comes with 3 versatile holders, including one for tablets, a 360-degree rotatable phone holder, and a camera holder. You can easily mount all your devices for a seamless shooting experience. What we like. This option provides a bicolor temperature, allowing you to adjust from warm to cool light for optimal skin tones and ambience. Its dual charging capability means you can use it with batteries or plug it in, offering great flexibility for any shoot. If you're looking for adaptable lighting that can be powered in multiple ways and need to accommodate tablets, this is a solid pick. What people say. I love how you can adjust the warmth and cooler tone right from the light without having to swap or move anything around. The brightness control is also really easy to use. The LED display is really bright and you can clearly understand everything it is displaying. The phone and camera adapter comes in really handy. It's just easy setup all in one. The coolest part from this ring light that was not listed is the power supply cord is really long. I want to say about 10 to 15 feet long. Number 1. Weilisi 10.5 ring light with 69 tripod stand. Experience lighting like never before with our innovative full-screen design. It offers a larger, brighter, and more uniform light that enhances your features and protects your eyes, ensuring a natural and beautiful look. Tailor your lighting perfectly with 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. Whether you need warm, natural, or cool light, you can achieve the ideal illumination for any situation, anytime, anywhere. This versatile tripod extends from 39 to 69 inches, made from durable aluminum. It easily adjusts to your height needs and features a standard mount for secure attachment. Capture stunning photos and videos from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. It's compatible with most smartphones, making group shots and selfies a breeze. The rotatable phone holder securely grips phones from 2.49 to 3.74 inches wide. You can easily position your device at any angle to get the perfect shot. From video recording and live streaming to makeup application and video conferencing, this lighting solution is perfect for a wide range of uses. It's ideal for TikTok, YouTube, and enhancing your computer's video calls. What we like. This ring light boasts a unique full-screen design for exceptionally uniform and soft lighting, enhancing your natural features. Its head rotates 360 degrees, and you get 10 levels of brightness and 3 color temperatures for precise control. If you prioritize soft, flattering light and need maximum adjustability for vlogging, makeup, or video calls, this is the light for you. What people say. The lighting itself is amazing, bright but still soft and flattering. It doesn't wash you out or feel harsh, and it really helps your skin look smooth and evenly lit. I love that you can adjust both the brightness and the color temperature, so you can get the exact look you want whether you're filming, taking pictures, or even on video calls. The tripod is sturdy and adjustable, so you can get the perfect height and angle. The rotating head and flexible phone holder make it super easy to set up exactly how you need it, and the remote is a nice bonus for taking photos without having to run back and forth. The light quality is excellent, and I really appreciate that it offers not only different color temperatures but also multiple brightness levels, which makes it easy to dial in the perfect lighting whether I'm on camera or taking detailed product shots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.